Woohoo! Yeah. Going fast. Come on, Rex. Good job. Good job. Here, we'll get ahead of you so then we can watch you. Wow! Stay on the road. You're okay, you won't fall. You just gotta, don't look at me, pay attention to where you're steering. You need help? You need a little push, or can you do it?
I can't.
Alright, let me give you a little push. Let me put my water in my pocket. There we go. Okay. Now we get ahead of you. And then we'll watch you. But pay attention to where you're steering. Yeah! Woohoo! You're going fast.
Whoa, chipmunk!
So, chipmunk or bunny, pay attention. Yeah, there you go. Here, we'll get ahead of you again and then we'll videotape you. Look at that light. Watch where you're going. There you go. Woohoo! Woohoo!
Daddy, that was so fast.
Yeah, you're going very fast. I'm gonna get ready to catch you if you're going way too fast. You're getting pretty good. You're getting pretty good. Oh, Roxy's smelling. Wait for us. We should have put your baby in your seat.
Yeah.
Oh. Ah, Roxy's smelling something. Come on, dog. Let's go. You push yourself. There you go. Oh, you're good. You're good. Boy, you're very good now, man. You know how to ride. Very good.
Well, that was a good music. That's all I could think.
Yeah, maybe they were bumping sugar. Yes, please. How does it go?
Hey, come on, it's a dummy.
I show you good loving, make it alright. Need a little sweetness in my life. A sugar.
Yeah, coming, put it down on me.
Woohoo.